So the week is finally over. I think it was a good week. I only took two trades, one break even, and you can see one break even and a win. So yeah. So this year, this is a new journal. So I'm going to come with me to take every single trade seriously because this year I really want to be out there. Okay. So this BTC, because gold was doing crazy, and I don't. This week I was skeptical about the whole price action that gold was giving. So I do not want to fall victim. I had to like bring back my guy. I had to bring down my guy. And yeah, so although I was just doing the BTC, I was just doing 1 to 2 weeks to 4 weeks, 100 to make like 200. But as of next week, because I have like a big stop loss, you can see, my stop loss was 100 pips, and the second one was 50 pips, and I was supposed to weeks high. Yeah, I was supposed to make a good amount of money, but the trade was not for me, so I ended up with a break even. So yeah, yeah. So now let's look at my journal for this week. What I did. This is February, and this is week 3. Yeah. So this was on the 18th was what day? Let me look at the calendar. 18th was on Tuesday. I was just doing all my stuff here, but I didn't take any trades. I only took trade on I think it was on Thursday. I forgot it. No, Thursday, Friday. I'll check later. So you can see my sentimental reports, right? They were bearish, obviously, the big guys. And that's why on Friday market started giving us like a dump on BTC. And same thing on gold, but it was still consolidating because the news that came out on Friday was both positive and negative. So obviously, market is going to be consolidating. So this was the news. Sorry, my analysis for last week. I said last week, this week. Sorry. This is the weekly time frame. You can see that this fair value that I'll be talking about, right? So I urge you to do stuff like this so you can keep track of your trading, of your trades. I mean, so this is for gold, right? So this was on Thursday when I took the news, and I had to like do the unemployment claim, which came out negative for dollar. You get, so I was expecting a sell. Number. Look, right? I said I don't see a retracement to this side, to this upside anymore because all I've seen here was just a mitigation to the downside, right? The volume imbalance was filled, was tapped. So from here, I don't see any. I do not see any fair value gap. All candles were mitigated. Now what's this? You see? So stuff like this is once you see stuff like this, you just know that okay, this is. I like to see stuff like this on my chart. When I see all candles are being mitigated, I know for a fact that I'm going to just take that stuff instantly. And that was a good trade on the DXY, but I don't trade DXY. So on Thursday, right? This guy, I expected price to come to the zone and move, but what happened? Price dipped. Dipped. I think it reacted off this second guy. Yeah, the second guy, because this is 4 hours time frame. Why this is 15 minutes. So that's for Thursday. But though, like I was doing analysis on gold and the rest, but I didn't take that. I didn't take it. So this was my expectation on DXY on Friday, right? And price reacted on that zone, but started coming back because, like I said, it was positive and negative for dollar. Same thing here. This guy was a breaker block. Price later came back. Like I said, all the candles were indicated here. Let's click on that. All the candles were mitigated, right? Then price later like did a stop rate, like a stop hunt, right? But still came back and mitigated this guy. So that was just like a stop rate. You get. Now let's go on to the chart. Let's see what I'm saying here. So this is the breaker block here. I expected price to react on. Reacted on this guy, started moving. Then when the news came out, dumped, right? Then later started buying from this zone. Now let's look at the higher time frame. You can see that that week was just a liquidity rate, right? The main guy, my stop loss is still active. Do you get? So this is just a manipulation. Do you get? So I didn't take the trades, and I was trying to do something last week whereby it's like inside your trade, you just find another single trade inside your range. So my TP is this guy. So I had to like go down to like 30 minutes to find another trade, right? Then I was doing a back testing though. And what I saw was now let's because I think I did like 0.1. I made up to like 80 something dollar already, right? Then I brought my stop loss up to like $50. So I locked a $50 profit, right? Then I took another trade, right? Risking I took two positions, risking $20 each. Do you get? But though on this place now is like $30, 30 piece stop loss. No, I think I caught the stuff early, right? Then I risked $20 each. So that means I had like 20 piece stop loss. So that means I was risking $40 inside my $50. So obviously, if I hit SL, I've lost $40. I have like a net profit of $10 already. Just in case if I hit stop loss with the first one, with the first entry, that means I've secured like $10. But else, if I refuse to hit that my $50, then I'm still securing my profit, stuff like that. So I think this is what I will try for next week because I just like say, okay, let me just try this stuff this week, and I saw okay, it was good. But now the pros and cons of it is just know once you hit stop loss, stay out of the market. Don't go, don't be trading stop loss and the rest. You get, and once you hit stop loss, you stop that trade, even though okay, the trade is still active. You get, so there's some stuff that okay, I just need to risk for me to be profitable. Do you get? So just only take that stuff on a valid A setup. Do you get? So that's it for this week, right? For my trades, I mean this week. For BTC, let's look at what I saw on BTC. Okay, this was my TP. Like I said, I did 1 to 2. I hit TP on this guy. And the second one was this. Second one was this with a stop loss of 50. Yeah, right. Then I got like how many pips already? Right, but later came back and like struck me. And it was still cool. At least I was it was a good week. They ended with a loss or something. So yeah. So now let's look at the outlook for next week. For BTC, to be honest, right, I do not know because if you look at weekly time frame, right, BTC has been consolidating for like how many weeks? This is kind of slow now. You can see price is just giving us choppy candles, and that's the thing. Once you see stuff like this, like okay, now see this candle started by selling to this side, you will think that price is going to like sweep this guy and then maybe react on this fair value gap, blah blah blah, like that's like two fair value gap here. But obviously, seriously, sometimes price might just be manipulative, you get, and they can still come to this side. Though, don't get me wrong, but for now, just I don't feel like you should maybe scalping or day trading or swinging. I don't think it's a good time to swing BTC now because you never can tell. You might just take on your buy. You might take a buy and you're seeing price sell it down to this side now, and maybe when you don't even expect it, you just like see BTC down to this side. But I don't know if BTC is going to dump back to like 70,000. I don't know. Fingers crossed though. But for now, you can look on the weekly time frame. We're just having the choppy candles. Let me look on monthly. Let me see something. I can, to be honest, I don't know, price myself because if you look on the weekly time frame, price took a liquidity here, 2 weeks, right? Took a liquidity, and on the monthly time frame, it's like forming a bearish order block. Do you get? So who knows? That price might just like come down, then take out this guy, then react on this guy. Because if you look at BTC, right, on the monthly time frame, all the fair value guys have been mitigated. Do you get? See, so except this guy here, you get look at all this mitigated, right? This guy, this one here. Remember I said, for me, oh, you can still feel the fair value gap on the left hand side. Okay, so this guy is still very valid. This fair value gap. So I still feel that price might just like come down to this zone and feel the fair value gap. But for now, just stick with day trading for scalping. You get? This is kind of slow. Just stick with scalping. If you can just like scalp or day trade and take out this high here, easy peasy. You get? So now since we have like a zone, we have like a zone, yeah. This is a week to week base, right? And this meant sticking. And this guy established fair value gap. So I'll be looking for buyers around this zone here to maybe take out this high here. Okay, so it's just like liquidity versus liquidity. Market profitable sellers took out profitable buyers. Now sorry, sellers took out profitable buyers. Now buyers are trying to take out profitable sellers, and it goes on and stuff like that. So that's it for BTC. I feel like for swinging, no, I don't think it's the best time to swing now. But for scalping and day trading, yeah, you can do that. And DXY. Look at the zone that I said market was selling. I expected a sell from, so market started selling, but the news was positive and negative, so that's why we're seeing a consolidating here. So next week, I'm still big on bearish on DXY, right? Uh, for gold, gold is bullish, like it's very bullish. You can see price has been bullish for quite a number of times now. Now let's look at the higher time frame to see a clearer picture. On the higher time frame, the last month closed a bearish, bullish candle. Same thing with this one. I still feel gold is very bullish. Gold is very bullish. On the weekly, bullish. On the daily, still bullish. Right. Then the what is it? The next week, I want price to take out this low, react on this fair value gap. Although we had like an IO Fed, we just tapped the fair value gap, but I want price to like come back and tap that stock well, like at least 50% of it before going up. So for gold, I'm still very bullish. DXY still bearish, but BTC I do not know because we are just consolidating. So I don't see a market trend on BTC right now, to be honest. And yeah, but if you check on the daily time frame, those plays that I'm seeing fair value gap, you just see like this guy mitigated this guy. It's just a tiny one, a tiny one. This guy has taken out like multiple lows. These are low hanging fruits. Do you get so sweep on liquidity. So, but for BTC, I'm not. I don't know. I don't feel like market is still consolidating. Look at big consolidation. So, and once you say market consolidating, just know that a big move is about to happen. So BTC, watch out for BTC. Is there a big bull run or a big dump? So just watch out for BTC. So let's. This year is going to be good. I promise you. So please do not forget to like, share, subscribe. And this week there was no um, the news for this week. Sorry, was not too active like that. Let's look out for next week. Please do subscribe to this page and let's grow this account. I think we are at 207 subscribers. Please just like grow it even up to like 500 or 1,000. I would really, 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 really appreciate. Next week is consumer confidence. Still not active like that, except for this core PCE price index. I do not like unemployment claim. It's not very active on the chart. So let's keep our fingers crossed for next week. So if you want to check my what is it the what I look for in the chart before taking my entry. These are my trading rules. You can see maybe you can like screenshots and maybe like implement on your own. You get so yeah. Let me end the video. See you guys next week. Stay safe. Stay blessed.